Good afternoon. Blue skies for us again on this Wednesday, and temperatures that are a little milder too as we work our way through our midweek time frame. We're looking at some conditions that are going to be a lot nicer if you like that warmer weather. Though keep in mind that we are still dealing with that breeze that's been picking up here since this morning too. So let's take a look at those numbers right now. We're at 23 degrees in Fargo. It's 21 in Grand Forks, looking at 24 in Jamestown. Over in Bemidji, that is our warm spot at 28 degrees right now. There are some places still into the teens, but everybody's warmer than yesterday by far, and we'll continue to build off of that with these strong winds coming in out of the south, ushering in that warmer air for us in the valley. And we do currently have a gust to 30 in Gwinner, so some stronger winds here today. And that does have an impact on how it feels to be out there. Our wind chills are down in the single digits above zero in a lot of spots, so you'll still need that coat. Don't let all that sunshine fool you into thinking it's a really warm day. Checking out your radar satellite map, you could see that we've got some clear skies. We're looking at our visible loop here, and where we don't see any movement, that's the snowpack, and you can see it covers the entire valley here. Even these dark areas of Minnesota, those are the evergreen trees there, so we know we have snow on the ground there as well. Just a little cloud cover north of the border, and gradually that will start to move in as our next system starts to approach the valley. So working our way through the afternoon hours today, we'll continue to see those temperatures climb into the low to some upper 20s in the valley. Lots of sun, and again, more of that wind that we'll be dealing with. Heading into tonight, we'll start to see the clouds fill in into the late night hours, and with that comes the potential for that next round of snow. This is 11 o'clock, still not looking too bad for us. Temperatures into the teens at that point. Heading into the overnight hours, those clouds take over, and as we're starting off our Thursday morning, stopping here at 5 a.m., you could see some isolated areas of snow out west that starts to spread its way eastward. And by the time we're heading to work, to school, in places like Fargo and Grand Forks, we could be dealing with a little bit of light snow, either just bringing down our visibility a bit, or perhaps even coating some of those roads and sidewalks tomorrow morning. Notice how it's not widespread, though. We're just seeing some scattered areas of that snow that could also impact you anywhere in the valley. Heading through the morning hours, this continues to move eastward. Temperatures still looking pretty good. We'll be around 20 degrees at that point in time. But as this system continues to make its way eastward, we'll see the northwesterly winds on the backside of that start to kick in, and that will be cooling us down over in the Devil's Lake area for the afternoon hours tomorrow, while the rest of us are still hanging on to the 20s. Notice into the afternoon, we've got some spotty areas of snow still ongoing, especially in our Minnesota counties, and this continues into the evening hours and into the nighttime hours Thursday night, maybe lingering into early Thursday, but most of that is clearing out at that point in time. And we're looking at some much colder temperatures ahead of us here for your Friday. So it's going to be a chilly one in the wake of that system, but don't worry, we warm things back up as we head into the weekend. Might be a slight chance for a little snow in our southern counties for Saturday night and into Sunday, but overall the weekend's not looking too bad.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Lisa.